again. Are you ready for another animation house tour? This is a Bali-inspired one-story small house design with 3 bathrooms, 1 bathroom, a plunge pool, and a carport fit for a sedan and a motorcycle. Welcome! First, let's embrace our small tropical garden. Are you ready to go inside? Greeting you is a small foyer viewing the plunge pool. It has a full mirror and storage shelves for your helmet, sanitizers, and everyday shoes. This house is ornamented with boho accessories, plants, and native materials and patterns. We have the living area. It has a 4-seater L-type sofa, a center table, a display shelf, a wall fan, and a TV cabinet with a 65-inch TV screen. This is a mini lounge. You can explore your ideas for this space. For example, you can also place an outdoor bar counter or a hammock. Next is the dining area and kitchen. The dining area is furnished with a 4-seater dining set, a wall mirror to make the space look wider, and a wall fan. The kitchen has a bar counter with a water dispenser and display shelves at the corner. It also has a fridge, a sink, and a gas range with oven and range hood. Let's proceed to the bedrooms. This is bedroom 1. It is complete with a single-size bed, a study or vanity area, and a wardrobe cabinet. Bedroom 2 also has a single-size bed, a study or vanity area, and a wardrobe cabinet. Furthermore is the common toilet and bath. Up next is the master bedroom. The master bedroom has a queen-size bed, a vanity area or workstation, a built-in wardrobe cabinet, and has a wonderful view of the pool and common spaces. And finally, our outdoor shower and the utility room. Before I end this tour, I will share a quote. You deserve to have a house where you enjoy working or doing nothing at all. It should be a space to distress, an area that reflects your unique style and personality, and a place where you create memories and dreams. Thank you again for having me. Until next time.